What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to part one of the E39 rebuild. Got it right in front of me. Thing has been sitting so long, battery's dead, it won't start. And if you don't know, when the battery's sitting for so long, it's not really the best idea to just jump start it. Could damage it. So what I'm going to be doing is trickle charging it at a real low amp. And right now I'm going to grab the battery, start charging it. The BMW batteries are actually in the trunk of the car on this side thing right here, sitting at the bottom. Yep, they're not in the engine bay like most cars. I bought this little car charger, 800 milliamps, to try to bring back energy to the battery. And I noticed that the light stayed on, meaning that it was charged when it really wasn't charged. So this thing shot. I got to get a new one. So anytime you go to an auction and you buy a car, assume that the battery in there needs to be replaced. What's up, guys? Today is another day when I'm recording this, but basically that battery is shot dead. I couldn't get any electricity to stay in it. That trickle charger that I bought didn't do anything to it. It wouldn't absorb it at all. So basically, I tried to get another battery that same day, but I couldn't. So I had to wait another day right now to record this. But we basically rolled the car from the top of the hill where it was at down the street to this shop. Y'all using gravity, so I still haven't turned it on up to this point. And put it on the jacks and this lift behind me, lifted it up, and you're going to be able to see all the car from underneath. And it all checked out and was really good. So check out this video. Bringing it up. You guys, we're up right now on the lift, just taking a look at everything under here. Everything actually looks really good. I'm happy about that. I mean, you know, with the only 68,000 miles, it's not gonna have anything, but all the exhaust looks really clean, all good intact. Suspension looks really good. It's probably hard to see. No leaking of oils or any sorts. Everything under here looks really good. I mean, it was definitely a very well taken care of car. Transmission's not leaking anything at all. It's all dry. Everything's dry. Multi-link, suspension, everything's intact. Everything's good. So, you know, it's going to be an easy rebuild, I feel like. Just got to add the parts up here. I'm going to be waiting to talk to a body guy about my fender. Got a little bend to it, but yeah, I'm going to have to buy a new battery too. Welcome back, guys. At this point of the video, after checking out everything under the car, I decided to do some research on the parts and everything that I'm going to need to rebuild the car. And I decided I want to go OEM with everything. I want my car to have the highest quality things in it. I don't like any aftermarket cheap stuff. I don't like any of that. I go OEM with everything. So I wanted to buy a parts car because I'm going to need body panels that are OEM that are going to fit perfectly. Because if you didn't know, aftermarket body panels don't fit the best or fit very good like OEM does. So I need the right fender changed. I want to change it. It's a little tweaked. I need a front bumper, headlights, core support. But yeah, that's really it. There's not much to it. And AC condenser and radiator I'm going to have to change, but I haven't decided where I'm going to get that yet. So check out the parts car in this next video, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, you guys, here goes the parts car that I purchased. Right here, it is the 540i. Everything on the exterior is in decent condition, but the engine has no compression whatsoever. The previous owner ran it with no oil, and engine kind of doesn't work anymore. So it's a good condition car. I need the parts off of it in terms of body panels. I need the right fender, core support. Engine wise might need something, but mostly hardware on this. Here goes the under the hood of the parts car. I'm gonna need this core support right here. Like I said, engine doesn't run anymore, so you know, overall it looks all right. I mean, I see a little oil running there here, but you know, I just need this for parts. So you know, this is gonna be gone after I'm done. Welcome back again. So you guys now saw the parts car. After looking at the parts car, I realized that the parts car actually has a really good battery on it that I was able to bring back to life by trickle charging slowly. So in the next few videos, you're going to see how I was charging it slowly overnight. And when it was done charging, that's when we're finally ready to put it back in the car and turn it on. So right now, I took the battery from the parts car and I'm trickle charging it at 2 amps, very low to try to save the battery. I think I'll be able to. Had to brush off the terminals, clean them off, and add water to it. I think it'll save it because when these batteries sit for a long time, they could go bad. Got my Mazda under a 6 Series BMW up there. Kind of cool. Got an M5 back here. All stuff. E60 back there. Got my battery right here. It says full. See these intelligent chargers, they stop automatically when the battery is full. So I'm gonna grab it right now and put it in the car. Alright, you guys, I just got the battery installed, and look at that. It's got power. Pretty much power overall. Look in the inside. Speedometer lights work. Everything's working intact. Radio works beautifully. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to add some more oil to it because it's kind of low. It's been sitting for a while, and we're gonna start it. So let's see what happens, guys. The final moment of truth. Time we try to start it. Oh. Baby, it started.
Any check engine lights? No check engine lights.
There it goes, guys. First time turning this thing on.
Should I call it real quick?
First time rolling. This thing's rolling, guys. Look at that. It's actually rolling. I can't believe it. So we got the speedometer. Look at that. Well, you guys remember this has no radiator, so we're limited on the amount of time we can actually drive this thing. We're driving with nothing. So we'll see what happens. Alright, you guys, after driving it for a little bit, as you saw in the previous video, it drove really good actually. Started right on, like it was really quick. Starts, runs, drives, everything's good. It didn't have any check engine lights, it didn't have any manipulation lights, which basically means that the odometer was rolled back. So it's been looking good so far. The only downside is, as my cousin was saying, that the clutch is a little light. Slipping or whatnot, so it might need to be replaced. We'll see. So yeah, basically that's it for this video. I just want to give you guys an overview and update on how things are going with it. In the next few videos, I'm going to be doing a full maintenance on every fluid of the car. I'm going to get it prepared for the body shop to repaint those things that need to be repainted, and yeah, we'll see what happens from here. So thank you again for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider subscribing below. It means a lot. Thumbs up. And we'll see what happens. Stay tuned for more. Thank you, guys.